I got past the parking, found my damn parking spot. Here's the venue fee like I promised. Big ass venue fee this time. CEO outdone it, man. They totally outdone it. I was just disappointed a little bit inside, which you guys are gonna see in a bit. The one thing I was disappointed was the cabinets. They had to wait till I think 12. But yeah, we had to get through that huge. There was a huge line of wall on that big huge venue. We could see it clearly. It's actually way bigger. It's just that big building right there. Still in the same venue, just looking at the cage right here. And this cool custom ass TV, but no Red Bull inside. All Red Bull gone. Probably gonna take a chill a bit, you know, out here. I gotta wait a little bit more before I get called in for the pools. This is what the badge looks like if you guys want to figure out what it looked like. They couldn't decide and they kept changing the damn badge. But I'm gonna see if I can find the other venue. Peace out, guys. Finally inside CEO. Took me a while because, well, got lucked out. This here is like super massive. I'll show the outside later on, but I'm gonna try to find EX later because I don't care about any of the other games, to be honest. They had some dance, something going on too. This is what the inside of the venue looks like. Top of that, I had to pay for parking. $10 for parking over here if you're at the main venue site. But if you're at the other public parking, they cost, well, I ended up paying 20 for till 3 in the morning, so it was like around 6. I still got a lot of time. My schedule don't start till 2. And then what sucks is trying to check into one of the hotels, or motel, whatever. They don't take the time until like 2 in the afternoon, check-in time. Oh, there's King of Fighters. King of Fighters here. Also got a poster too for just for signing up on Street Fighter 5. Chun-Li, I think it's Nicki Minaj, popcorn, sodas. Not buying. Low on funds right now. And my friend wasn't able to get me the hotel because they had a strict policy about, I think, 2 people per car. So they were gonna charge him extra, like way much or more extra. So I'm assuming the grand finals and attendees are going to be here too. So there's not going to be multiple rooms. They're all going to be in one room. Commentators, yeah, it's all going to be done in here in one ass room. Fuck, man. They went out at this time. Street Fighter Anniversary 30th Collection. Tekken 7. Let's look at those beautiful words. CEO Daytona. Like I said, 4 hours drive it took me to get here, and then on top of that, I ended up spending like 50 on the first motel that I stayed at, which ain't that bad. I probably only spent like 40 bucks getting down here, and what up, 30 to fill up the first time. And I filled up like a 20 just in case. That way I could run it back all the way back to my house. Guilty Gear. Probably gonna be in like a little miniature booth. We got classic TVs. I haven't seen these for a long time. GameCube. That is a GameCube right there. And that right there is Astro. One of those awesome headsets. I've had them before. They're pretty expensive. They run like about 100 and something. But those, I think those are $329 for a good one, with the amplifier and all. Let's see, what is this line for? Don't tell me they're waiting for EX layer. If they are, man, I'm done. I'm literally done. They'll just probably record some scenes.
What is this guy, man?
Should have brought my charger to my phone, but at least I know where to go to pick up my truck. Then I'm gonna clock in for a room. Controllers for sale. They got customs, everything you need out here. Raft prices.
So that'll be 1063.
Oh, the new Smash, Ultimate Smash? That's what everyone's waiting for?
I'll see though.
Damn, those gaming chairs, man. Wish I had one of those. So now I know where that line is so massive. But where is that EX layer at, man? EX layer.
Really? I did not know that. I don't really know. It's like a game back Usually you're like standard quarter circle forward back motion with the puncher kicks and stuff like that. You may depend on
One small little booth.
yeah. Some characters may have some
Those screens are the same connected screens. Wow. It's like no one cared for that game. It's a lot smaller than compared to King of Fighters and Tekken. I remember Tekken at least had 5 damn freaking TVs and monitors set up. Expensive as hell, I bet. Kenny Omega and Chris Javali. I ain't Alex Javali, dude. That thing is so epic, dude. Let's see what else. Soul Calibur. I was about to say 5, man. 5.
Yeah, it sets up in 5.
So what game are you putting on the Jedi?
I'm running Guilty Gear today, and I'm running Tekken and Unis.
What's your first time?
Doing a major.
Major? I've never looked Rapid.
It helps with my event. Yeah.
So what's it like?
It's
Not bad?
Like once you get used to the whole process, like it's just rinsing.
Okay. I can try to shallow some before I have to do it.
Yeah, watch when we'll start, just like watch.
Actually, it feels really weird because he's tailing my own pool.
Really?
And before he was tailing the whole thing.
You're going to DP somebody who's going against Archie. Be like, oh, he didn't show up on time. Yeah. Be like, I don't know this guy. I felt like you should be. You get a mind. That's fucking cool. I haven't played this game since Soul Calibur 2. I think that was on the GameCube and it had Link in it. Yeah. That was the last time we got a Nintendo console, right?
That was the local arcades right now. That's what I gotta find out. I think they did away with arcades. It's kind of sad.
Not much.
Just like that
Red Bull is abandoned. This shit's empty anyway. So I don't even like Red Bull. This looks like Brook. Yep, Brook. That was right, Brook. Brook converters.
Dave TV, Dave from Gaming Gen to the command center, Dave from Gaming Gen to the command center.
I do have one question. What kind of parts do you have? Do you have
Posted, resin set,
everything?
posted,
Oh well,
then-
not literally everything, but good amount. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Do you have springs? for
Yes,
this?
yes,
How
I'm top guy myself, so that's
yes.
no bad tops. I have bubble tops. These are the ones I have for my setup. I have
See,
red.
sweet.
I have a brighter yellow than this, green and blue. And I got them because I'm trying to.
Will the person in charge of
These springs he's asking about are the tension springs that go below your fight stick, and it allows you to either move it loosely or sturdy when it retracts back. Here are the springs. Might buy 2 CEO buttons just in case.
I want to see the inside of it. I like this. So sick.
Yeah, it's a low budget stick, but
I did it earlier. Yeah, this is 4 right? I don't even. Oh man.
one for the touch key, starts share, and
I'm gonna have to buy. How much you buy?
yeah.
Well, I'm about to end this video real quick, and then I'll pick up some more videos. That way I can save up some battery time and also record with my buddy and me. My match don't start till 2, so I have all day to, right now, kind of like free hands practice. I don't think there's not much to see over there. Maybe, maybe not, maybe, whatever.
That's good. You should definitely.
That's about it. Okay, my venue doesn't start till, my pool doesn't start till 2. This is still the same venue. It's just that they didn't have it open. One side had no power, and I guess they just got the cabinets ready, but who knows if they got the other rooms. Alright, now checking out. See what's up.
Still good.
That's something else. That's panel room CEO. Meeting room. Nope. Hey.
Welcome.
Echo ball. You guys wondering what's that rattling? That's my fight stick. Huh. No, hombre. No, mira, bien culero. Come on, Al. How the fucking video is, man? Oh, apparently this is gonna be now their designated area since, you know, Jabali, whatever. It's not gonna be in Orlando no more. It's gonna be Daytona Beach from now on, which I was told. But this venue is a lot big. It's a lot bigger than the other one. The other one was a bit small. I mean, all we had was like 3 ballrooms rented out, so it wasn't much. And the front side view. Ballroom. Yo, ballroom that way. It's a Baylor room.
Hey, what up?
For a while, dude.